Alright guys, we're back with a new Jeep video today. Me and my son went to town earlier today and driving around, just took the windows out and took the back glass out. Gonna enjoy this beautiful day. It's a cool day and we stopped to eat breakfast, and when I got back out to the Jeep I was doing this right here. Yep, that's right, my starter has let me down today. So I knew I was having trouble. It started dragging a little bit and I suspected that it wasn't the battery just because of the way it had been acting. So today I went by AutoZone and I've got me a new starter. So I'm fixing to get under here and we're gonna put that on today. Okay guys, I do have my battery disconnected. I was just under here earlier trying to see what size would fit these. This starter, for some reason they put funny little 6-point bolts on this thing. Anyway, I have found out that a 3/8 inch 12-point socket will go on them nicely. But I'm having to extend it down so I can actually clear the exhaust and all this other stuff. I had to take this bolt out. So I'm going to see now if I can get those broke loose. If I can get those broke loose, then I will stop taking those out and unhook all this stuff right here. So let's see if we can get them loose. That one slipped, which is not what you want. I'm having to use a dumb deep well socket. That one come out. I don't know why they would put that one's slipping. Those type bolts there, I mean, that don't match anything else on the Jeep. It's just like, oh, let's make this part where you just can't use regular tools and get it off. But anyway, that's what the Jeep maker's done. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do now with that one. So Alright, there's the starter out. I'll grab that other one and put the new one in. Let's see what we got here. Alright, looks pretty good. Bunch of brush marks on it right there. Sure, it's remanufactured, but it's got a lifetime warranty on it. Anyway, that's what I expected. I'm gonna go on here now and slap that puppy in. This bolt right here, I had to beat a socket up on it because that's the one that stripped on the head. I'm going to put it out here on the outer edge so that if I ever do have trouble and have to get this off, if I need to weld a nut or something to it, I can get to it a lot easier than I can if it's up in here. So that won't hurt anything. Doing that just may make my life a little easier in the future. I'm not going to get those just real tight. I'm going to snug them up and I'm going to go up there and try it. And if everything sounds like it should, I'm going to come back down here and I'll finish tightening it up good and tight. Because like I said, I don't want to have trouble with that one bolt anymore. I like to not have got it out. I was actually concerned. Didn't want to have to weld a nut onto it. That's kind of like a last resort, and if I did that, then I wouldn't have a bolt to put it back in with. Oops, almost off. That's it. Gonna give it the moment of truth. Make sure it's in neutral. Get my keys out of my pocket. Alright, here we go. Beautiful. Yep, I'll take that all day long. Go ahead and put that last bolt, big bolt through the bell housing. Let me get these right here good and tight. That's enough on that one. This is the one, this is a socket I found. I actually had to beat it on there It's a size too small, but it made it where I could get it where it needed to be. So I was pleased with that. Okay, where's my... Alright guys, that's a wrap on this video. I know it was short and sweet, but anyway, something had to be done and thought y'all might be interested. Anyway, I'm fixing to take my core back to town, get my money back, and we're going to do a little more riding today. See y'all next time.